Hi, hello children, how are you all? Let us revise what did I teach you day before yesterday. Once recall children. Let us revise our surroundings chapter. Lesson number 1, our surroundings. What are called our surroundings? Everything that is near or around us is known as our surroundings. What is the another word of surroundings? Environment. Environment means our surroundings. Okay, our surroundings include many living things and non-living things. Okay, what are the things you can see in our surroundings? What are the things you can see in the garden? We observe number of plants, animals, okay, types of plants, and number of birds and insects also moves from one flower to another. What are the things you observe in the playground? Ball, bat, okay, some people are playing in the playground. Yes, what are the things present in the sky? What are the things present in the sky? What do you observe? What are the things present in the sky? Sun, moon and stars. Sometime we can find the aeroplane, isn't it? What are the things present in the school? What are the things you observe in the school, Amma? Books, bags, blackboard, your friends, or some more things. Yes, every day we observe many more things in our surroundings. What are the things you observe on the road? Buses moving on the road, cars going on the road, some of the animals also running on the road, people also walking on the road. Okay, now we observe a number of things around us. Near our school, one big park is there, apartments are there, factories also there, number of houses also there, isn't it? Okay, we observe every day so many kinds of things while coming to school and going to home, isn't it? Okay, so things are divided into living things and non-living things. Are all things are same? No. Some things are moving on the road. Yes, children. Some things are, for example, park. Number of plants and trees also there in the park. Okay, now. So things are divided into living things and non-living things. What are called living things? The things which have life in them are called living things. How can you say living things have life in them? Is your dad moving from one place to another? Is your brother or sister moving from one place to another? Is your mother need food like you? Yes. Okay, children. So, we are all living things. Are you a living or non-living? You are all living things. Yes, children. So, how can you say we are all living things? We can move from one place to another. Okay, your dog means pet dog also moving from one place to another. All the animals move from one place to another for food. They search the food and water and they find the shelter. That's why they are moving from one place to another. We too move from one place to another for different purpose. All living things move from one place to another on their own. Yes, children, all the living organisms move from one place to another. Okay, now, and all the living things grow. All the living things breathe. Taking air is called breathe. Okay, now, all living things need air to breathe. We too breathe through the nose. Fish breathe through the gills. All the birds also breathe through the lungs. Okay, all the animals taking air, okay, taking oxygen from the air. So all living organisms grow, breathe, need food and feed and move on their own are called living things. Isn't it? Is it clear? All the living also living things, but they cannot move from one place to another. Remaining all living organisms move from one place to another. Okay, now all living organisms grow, all living things need to breathe, all living things can feel, all living things produce their own babies. This is called reproduction. Okay, now so what are called non-living things? The things which cannot move, cannot grow. Okay, they do not need food, they do not breathe, they do not grow like you, they do not feel like you. Okay, these are called non-living things. Okay, now is it grow like you? No. Okay, for example, this is a toy car. Okay, does it need food like you? No. Okay, now for example, does it grow like you? No. So these are all the non-living things, isn't it? So the things that do not move, do not grow, do not feel, do not breathe are called non-living things. So is it okay? Observe carefully, Amma, what is the difference between living things and non-living things? All living things can grow. Plants also can grow. You too grow. When you are in LKG, your height is this much only, no? Now you are growing. Yes, your height is increased. Okay, you too need food. Without taking food, we feel so hungry, isn't it? We can't do any work, isn't it? All living things, your pet dog also need food, all birds also need food. If you do not pour water to plants, plants also may die. So all living things need food to live. Okay, now air to breathe. Okay, they too can grow. Okay, they too feel and they too move from one place to another. Non-living things cannot grow, cannot breathe, cannot feel, and they cannot move on their own are called non-living things. Is it clear? Okay, and now natural things and man-made things. What are called natural things, Amma? What are called natural things? Things which are created by nature. Things which are created by nature are called natural things. What are the examples of natural things? Plants, animals, human beings, rocks. Okay, Himalayas means hills. Okay, earth, soil. Okay, rocks. Okay, and river. All these are all the natural. All these are all the natural things. Okay, sun, moon, stars. Okay, we observe in the sky. No, they too are They too are natural things. Okay, now. So what are called natural things? Things which are created by nature, created by God. God is nothing but nature. Okay, so these things are there in the nature. Can we make a real sun? Can we make a water? Can we make a air? No, we can't. Yes, children, that's why these things are created by nature are called natural things. Okay, what are the examples of natural things? Mountains, rocks, hills, sun, moon, stars. Okay, and also earth. Okay, soil, plants, animals, also natural things. These are not made by man. Okay, we can't made by us. That's why these are natural things. Okay, what are called man-made things? Things which are made by man are called man-made things. What are the examples of man-made things? All non-living things are man-made things. Okay, now is it a living or non-living? Non-living. Is it a living or non-living? Non-living thing. Okay, now and so see here, children, is it a living or non-living? Non-living thing. Is it a, this is the horse. Is it a living or non-living? Non-living thing. So who created, who made this, this is made by man. Who made this shop, who made this, who made this stapler? Made by man. Who made this cup? Made by man. Who made this car? Made by man. Man means human being. So things which are made by man are called man-made things. Who create my watch? Who create my saree? Who create this boat? All these things are made by man, human being, are called man-made things, isn't it? All non-living things are man-made things, isn't it? Okay, what are called natural things? Things which are created by nature. Things which are created by nature are called natural things. Okay, now things which are created by God are called natural things. Okay, now so listen. What are the examples of natural things? Water, air. Can you make a water? Can you make a air? Can you make a sun and moon and stars? No, we can't. Okay, they are created by God or nature. That's why those are called natural things. Sun, moon, stars, mountains means hills. Okay, and soil, river. Okay, and plants and animals also natural things, isn't it? Okay, things which are made by man, made by human beings are called man-made things. Okay, who made this? Who made this eraser? Man. Who made this car? Man. Who made this scissor? Man. Who made this sharpener? The stapler? Man. All these things are made by man in factories. That's why those are called man-made things. Is it clear? So listen. Is it clear, ma? What are natural things and what are man-made things? Okay, now tell me two examples of natural things. Mountains, rocks, water, air. Okay, tell me two examples of man-made things. Car, bus, okay, and scooters, okay, and sharpeners, pencil, pen, your book, your toys. Okay, train, bus, aeroplane, computer, all these are all examples of man-made things. Who made your dress, Amma? Who made your dress? Who made your book? Who made your pad? Who made your pencil? All these things are made by human beings, made in factories. That's why those are called man-made things. All non-living things are man-made things, isn't it? Okay, now. So, I come again. What are called living things and what are called non-living things? Living things, things that grow, breathe and need food and feel and reproduce and move on their own are called living things. The things that cannot move on their own, they do not grow, they do not need food, they do not breathe, they do not feel and they do not reproduce on their own are called non-living things. Okay, now. So, does it grow like you? No. This is a non-living thing. Does this is a toy car. Is it move like you? No. It is a non-living thing. Yes. Okay, it is made by man. See that plant. Is it a living or non-living? Definitely it is a living thing, natural thing. It is created by God. It is occur naturally in the nature, isn't it? Okay, plants are natural things. Animals are natural things. Mountains are natural things. We cannot made. Who created the mountain? Who created the mountain? Okay, who created the rocks? Who created the hills? All these are all these are already present in the nature. They created by God. That's why those are natural living things. Plant is a natural living thing. Animals are natural living things. Human beings are natural living things, isn't it? But mountains, hills, okay, rocks, sun, moon, okay, and earth, soil, all these are natural non-living things. Okay, now Actually, natural things are divided into living and non-living. Okay, now. So, plants, animals, human beings are natural living things. Okay, now. And mountains, hills, earth, soil, rocks, sun, moon. Okay, these are the natural non-living things. Okay, so what are called natural things and what are called man-made things? Natural things mean things which are created by God. Things which are created by nature is called natural things. What are called man-made things? Things which are made by man are called man-made things. Okay, now who made your phone? Definitely human being. Okay, now who made this? Who made this? Definitely made by man. So things which are made by man are called man-made things. Is it clear?